Hey folks, Adam Anderson, CEO here. We're talking the cash flow quadrant from Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is the last one in the series. We're going to be talking about investment. That's when your money makes money for you. And this is you putting your money in to investment portfolios, your 401k, investing in companies. Frequently as an entrepreneur, you might be investing back into your primary revenue generator, which is your business. So I did that for a long time. And one of the risks we have as entrepreneurs and business owners is we don't put our money other places typically. Well, why not double down on my own business? Well, when you get to a particular point where you've reached a certain amount of wealth, it just is so much easier to have your wealth build wealth for you. Talk to a professional. If you're not skilled in this, you need to be working with someone else. I am not a good investor. I've tried day trading, I've tried buying properties, I've tried doing all of those things. And at the end of the day, I know how to do what I do, and I do it very well. So why in the world wouldn't I go find somebody who knows how to invest really well and partner with them? Right on.